everyone! In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to set up and use the FEELWORLD WT1H and WT1S wireless video transmission systems. It is equipped with both HDMI and SDI interfaces, ensuring broad compatibility with a wide range of devices and supporting transmissions up to 4K at 30 frames per second. It delivers outstanding transmission performance with a range of up to 400 meters and ultra-low latency of just 80 milliseconds. It offers multiple power supply options including DC power, Type-C interface, and NPF batteries. If you need to open the menu, long press the middle button to switch options. Press the left or right button to exit, long press the middle button again. Before pairing, make sure the antenna is installed and securely tightened. And connect the transmitter to your camera using HDMI or SDI. Set the transmitter and receiver to the same channel to complete the connection successfully. You can also manually switch the transmitter to function as a receiver, enabling dual-purpose use of. The transmitter supports signal loopout for simultaneous output. The wireless transmission system supports two operating modes, pairing and group ring. In pairing mode requires both the transmitter and receiver to press the pairing button. At the same time for face-to-face pairing, in group mode, devices only need to be set to the same group and channel, and pairing will be completed automatically. Next, we'll show how to set up one-to-one transmission, starting with pairing mode. You can choose pairing mode. After clicking, the screen returns to the information status interface. The WPS icon will appear on screen, indicating that devices is in the process of pairing. Once paired successfully, the transmission will display the connection status. If you choose grouping mode, follow these steps. Choose grouping mode. After clicking, return to the information status interface, where a group sign appears, indicating that the transmission is connecting in that group. You can see the transmitter is set to Group A, Channel 01, while the receiver is set to Group B, Channel 03. Now, adjust the receiver to match the transmitter's group and channel to complete the connection. The wireless transmission system also supports one-to-many transmissions, up to one transmitter to 4 receivers, with both pairing mode and grouping mode available. In pairing mode, you need to manually pair the transmitter with each receiver multiple times to achieve one-to-many transmissions. In grouping mode, simply set the transmitter and receivers to the same group to achieve one-to-many transmissions. You can see that if the transmitter is set to Group A, Channel 01, you need to set the 4 receivers to other channels within Group A to achieve one-to-many transmissions. When you are unsure which channel is in use, you can use the scan function to automatically scan the frequency band and help select a cleaner channel. The wireless transmitting system supports talk and listen functions with selectable full duplex or half duplex modes. In TD mode, the cameraman only listens to the director, but without dialogue. Choose the mode according to your shooting workflow. This wireless transmission system also supports streaming. First, use the included adapter to connect the transmission and network devices. Next, I'll show you two streaming methods, via router and via static IP. First, let's look at streaming via router mode. For the streaming method, choose router IP streaming. Connect the network cable to the router. Connect the receiver to the monitor. At this time, the IP address of the image transmission will appear on the monitor. Open VLC player. In the media options, click to open network streaming. and then enter the URL and play to start streaming. Next, we'll look at streaming via static IP mode. For the streaming method, choose static IP streaming and the transmission's IP is default. Connect the network cable to your computer's network port. Change your computer's IP so that the first 3 segments match the transmission's IP. You can verify the connection on your computer. Open VLC Player. In the Media options, click to open network streaming, and then enter the URL and play to start streaming. The image transmission supports Monitored On app. You can search for FEELWORLD Wireless 2 in the Google Play Store or iOS App Store to download and install it. Open the transmitter and the app. A hotspot connection prompt will pop up in the app. Confirm the hotspot connection, enter the password, and join the connection. After connecting to the hotspot, click the Go in the middle to monitor. That's the complete setup guide for the FEELWORLD WT1H and WT1S wireless video transmission systems. Thank you for watching.